Hello and welcome to our series of tutorials. In this one, we are going to take a look at how do we download the diamond and metal materials, and after downloading, how do we apply these materials onto our objects. And for the debug purpose, I've also shown the cache keys here. Let's first select the diamond material, and if you go to picking section, in diamond material, at the end, you can see there is an option to download a DMAT. And by diamond material, we have a DMAT extension to that. So if you click that, a file is downloaded to your local computer here. Let's do this with this material, but maybe before that, I'll change the color a bit so that we can differentiate once we load them back. And I can download it. Let's download this one, and I'll select this. I can download this as well. So I have downloaded 3 diamond materials. Now I can refresh my scene and load a file which doesn't have any materials applied to it. You see that? Now to apply those materials which were downloaded, what you can do is select a specific mesh and just drag and drop the material on the canvas. Apply, and you can see that the first material is applied. You can select the second one, and let's try to just drag and drop the second one. Yes, we want to apply this material on all the objects which are sharing or using this material. Do that, and as you can see that this material is applied now on all of these diamonds. Same thing, you can select the third one, this one, apply, yes, and as you can see that 3 cache keys are generated here, and all the materials are applied. The cache keys are always generated based upon the downloaded material name. So when you downloaded that material, it had the name Ruby. In this case, this one had Sapphire, and this is Diamond. So for each unique diamond material name, a cache key will be created. So for instance, if I refresh the scene again, and let's load that again. Select the center one. And this time we will apply the same diamond material. 1 cache key is created. Select the next one. Same material is being drag drop. Apply. Yes. And you can see that the cache key remains the same. And as you can see that even these diamond materials are using the same cuts from the cushion. And also in the debug, you can see that there is only 1 cache key generated. So this is one important thing to remember, that the cache keys are generated based upon the material name, which the name of the material which you downloaded. If you try to now load, drag and drop another material here, you will see that a new cache key is created, and this shows the cuts for a round diamond. So these are the important things to note for the diamond materials. Now, same thing goes for metal material. You can just click on the material, and in a physical material, you can go and download the DMAT file. Let's change the color a bit. And download this. And if I refresh the scene, load the file, select the metal part, and if I drag and drop the physical material here, yes, I will also ask apply the material to all the objects, yes, and as you can see that the same material is applied here on the selected object. So it's always good to create all of these materials, whether it's diamond or metal, download them, and then you can use these materials later on to save your time and effort. Let's see next time how do we create material libraries of diamonds and metals and load them inside the editor. Till then, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you next time.